Hi children, good morning. I know you all would have had a beautiful celebration. You all would have had a colorful Diwali. I know you all are tired. Yes? No? Not tired. Oh, that's great. Okay, so even we all had a lovely Diwali. I had a great time. I'm not tired actually. Like I'm much energetic after the required break or a vacation or break மாதிரி இருந்தது. Like அந்த எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு come back with a josh. Okay, so today in English class what we are going to do is we are going to have a revisit of what we had in the term 1. Term 1 la நம்ம என்ன sounds பார்த்தோம், letters ஓட sounds பார்த்தோம். A I P அதையே நம்ம we are going to have a revisit of it. Okay, fine, come let's go ahead and have a revision of it. Hope you all remember this. No? Okay, no problem. I'll just remind it to you. It's called as the movable alphabet box, wherein you will have all the alphabets here from A to A. Till here you will have it. You know only some, I know, yes. Yeah? Okay, but what we are going to do is today we are going to play a small game. Okay? We are going to have a revision of set, first set. So when I go to near S, when I keep my finger near S, you will have to stop me. Let me see, let me check whether you are able to identify S. Shall we start? Starting from here. Stop. Oh, that's great. We have a S here. S. Then A. Will you stop me when I come near A? Stop. Oh, that's great. Very nice to see you all remember it. T. 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 Stop. That's awesome. T. A. E. Sorry, I'm sorry. E. Let me know when you find E. Stop. That is awesome. E. P. Stop when I come near P. P. Stop. Stop. That's great. So now we have identified and taken out the sounds, the letters with these sounds from the movable alphabet. Shall we just tell the sounds of these letters once again? Come. S. A. T. T. E. P. P. We are going to see the words that has the sound S. Socks. You hear the sound S. Saw, snake, sausage, submarine, soap, sun, sad, star. S. A. Remember? Okay. Apple, arrow, anchor, ant, axe, astronaut, angry, animals, alligator. Now you say, what is this? Angry, very good. This one?
Alligator.
Alligator, very good. This one?
Anchor.
Anchor, that's great. Now we'll move on to the next one. T. You all remember this? T. Okay. Taxi. What is this?
Tomato.
Tomato. Very good. Tomato. What is this?
Turtle.
Turtle. Okay. T. Good. Table.
Table.
Toast. Toaster.
Toaster.
Tongue. Tongue.
Tongue.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Tent.
Tent.
T. T.
T.
E. Insects.
Insects.
Invitation.
Invitation.
Ink.
Ink.
See, the ink has got spilled. Hope you all remember this. Ink.
Ink.
Injection.
Injection.
Igloo.
Igloo.
Infant.
Infant.
Iguana.
Iguana.
Injury.
Injury.
See here, the boy is crying because of the injury. Now, you repeat after me, okay? Fine. P. You remember it? Good. Pant.
Pant.
Pear.
Pear.
Pear, sorry, pear.
Pear.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Purse.
Purse.
Penguin.
Penguin.
Pirate.
Pirate.
P.
Pea.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Pan.
Pan.
You all able to hear the sound P? That's great. Now we are going to see Repeat it, okay? Napkin.
Napkin.
Nose.
Nose.
Nail.
Nail.
Nurse.
Nurse.
Nest.
Nest.
Necklace.
Necklace.
Neck.
Neck.
Night.
Night.
Nuts.
Nuts.
Did you all hear the sound Now you'll open page number 33 in your English workbook and you will go ahead and write this set again. Tomorrow you will do the homework which has the date 17/11/2020. So tomorrow open your homework notebook and work on the page that has the date 17/11/2020. Okay, before closing you will trace and write the letters. But before closing, shall we identify the alphabets here? I have just jumbled them. Stop me when I come to A. A. Stop. What is this? P. Very good. I'm going to take the letters. Okay, take it off. What is this? T. T. Very good. This is? Very good. This one? Ah, that's great.
E.
E. Good. Very good.
P.
Good. See, you have to write it, trace and write it. Okay? So I'll meet you in another video. Until then, bye.